Hello, my dear children. This is your computer teacher in Computers, Chapter 2, that is Understanding Windows was going on. In this chapter, I have given you the exercises as homework, but few students could not complete and understand. So, today we will take a recap of exercises. So, let's get started. First of all, filling the blanks, the first question is the dash is the first screen of Windows that appears when the computer is switched on. As we know, when we start the computer, then the first screen that we see is called the desktop. So the right answer is desktop. Second is the dash is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. At the bottom of the desktop, the blue color bar, that is called taskbar. So the right answer is taskbar. Third is the right side of the taskbar contains the dash. At the right side we have notification area. I have shown you. Okay, so the right answer is notification area. Fourth is dash. The icons means arranging them in a proper sequence. When we right click on the desktop, we have some options to arrange the icons in proper sequence, and that is called sorting. So the right answer is sorting. Fifth is to select non-adjacent items, hold down the dash key and click on the desired icons. As you know, if we want to select non-adjacent item, means जो हमारे icons हैं वो अगर एक साथ continuously नहीं लगे हुए हैं, अलग अलग रखे हुए हैं, then if we press the control key on the keyboard, control key को press करके हम उनको select कर सकते हैं एक साथ. ठीक है, control key press करेंगे, then first icon जो हमें select करना है उस पर click करेंगे, then again second वाला जो हमें icon है उस पर click करेंगे तो हमारे वो जो भी आइकन्स हैं वो सब सिलेक्ट हो जाएंगे. तो द राइट आंसर इज CT, RL और कंट्रोल. सिक्स्थ इज डैश एक्ट्स एज अ लिंक बिटवीन द यूजर एंड द हार्डवेयर. एज वी नो, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज द लिंक बिटवीन द यूजर एंड द हार्डवेयर. Seventh question is dash provides a picture oriented way to interact with hardware and software. As we know, GUI, graphical user interface operating system, provides us a way, picture oriented way using which we can interact with the computer. So the right answer is GUI. Eighth question is the commands or menus through which a user communicates with an external device are called dash. As we know, when we interact with the computer, we should have an interface. So the right answer is interface. Now let us talk about the true false. First is the clock is present on the left side of the taskbar. As we know, clock is present at the right side, not the left side. So this is false. Second is to select an icon, simply click on it. This is true. Third is double clicking on the icon opens the window. This is also true. Fourth is show desktop button is present on the left side of the taskbar. As we know, it is present at the right side. Okay, so this is also false. Fifth question is to change the desktop background, right click on the blank area of the desktop. Yes, if we want to change the background, we have to right click and then select personalize option. So this is true. Sixth is in a GUI, the user types test-based command to give instructions to a computer. As we know, in GUI, we don't need to type any command. We have to just click and use the mouse. So this is wrong and false. Now let us see ABQs. First is Mohit is using computer for the first time. He cannot identify the small labeled pictures present on the screen. What are they called? As we know, the small pictures which are present on the desktop, they are called icons. So the right answer is icons. Second is Karan is working on many applications on his computer. By mistake, he has clicked somewhere on the taskbar and all open windows have minimized. Which button has Karan clicked on? As we know, the show desktop button is present at the right side of taskbar, and if we click on that button, then all the windows are minimized. So he has clicked on show desktop button. So the right answer is show desktop button. Now let us see MCQs. First is the program that manages all the job of computer is called operating system. Desktop is the first screen and a screensaver is seen when we don't use the computer for some time. Okay, so the right answer is operating system. Second is to arrange the icons on desktop, we have to right click. If we right click, we have an option to sort the icons. Okay, so the right answer is right. Third is the button that gives quick access to documents, Windows application, help, etc. is known as the start menu. When we click on the start menu, that is the start button, then we have all these things. We have the documents, Windows applications, everything. Okay. Fourth is dash is an example of operating system. As we know, Apple is the name of company, Microsoft is also a name of company, and Linux is the example of operating system. So the right answer is Linux. Fifth is dash are the mini programs that provide information about the frequently used tool. As we know, gadgets like clock gadget, weather gadgets, these are the programs which provide you the useful information. So right answer is gadgets. So children, I hope all your doubts are clear now. Exercises are complete. Thank you. Bye bye.